Welcome to Bell Farm Estates. Here you'll find a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2 full bath ranch home situated on a cul-de-sac lot that's guaranteed to please. Walking into the home, you're greeted by an entryway that leads into the open concept living space. Here, the high ceilings and warm natural light brighten and enlarge the room. The fireplace will provide a cozy escape on chilly evenings, and opening the large windows and patio door will waft a cool breeze of fresh air throughout the home on mild days. Just steps away in the kitchen that is furnished with stunning dark cabinetry that contrasts beautifully with the neutral countertops. Enjoy breakfast at the bar seating off of the island, or step into the dining area for a nice view of the backyard and pond. The bedrooms are all great in size, with an ensuite off of the master bedroom. The fun doesn't end when you step out onto the large patio that's ready for entertaining all summer long. Call Jerry Hurst for more information on this home before it slips away.